Hello students, today we will continue our exercise 6.3. This is the exercise of standard 8 chapter number 6, squares and square roots. So what is the question? The question is, find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. So here we know we have studied the prime factorization method. So let us find out the square root of this 729 by the prime factorization method. So now you know that how we have to factorize this 729, right? So first of all, see that this number is not divisible by 2. So we have to divide it by 3. So when we divide it by 3, we get 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 into 2, that is 12. So 3 4s are 12 and 9 is there. So 3 3s are 9. Now again we have to divide it with the 3. So when we divide it by 3, we get 3 8s are 24 and 3 ones are 3. Okay. Again divided by 3, we get 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2, 21. So 3 7s are 21. Again divided by the 3, we get 9 3s are 27. Okay, we can divide it also with the 3 again. So 3 3s are 9 and we divide again it with the 3, we get the 1. So we can write down this 729 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? So make the pair of the 3. How many pairs we get here is 3 pairs. So whenever we have to find out the square root of 729, what we have to do? From the one pair we have to take one digit. From another pair we have to select another digit. And from the third pair we have to select third digit. That is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So the square root of 729 is what? 27. So in this way we can find out the square root of. Okay, let us take one more. That is fourth one is 4096. So when we factorize it, see, we can divide it with the 2. So when we divide it with 2, we get 2 2s are 4, 0 is 0. So 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 and 6, 16. So 2 8s are 16. Again divide it with the 2, we get 1 0 2 4. Okay, again divide it with the 2, we get 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, again divide it with the 2, we get 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 11 is there, so 2 5s are 10, 1 is there, 1 into 2, 1 and 2, that is 12, so 2 6 are 12. Okay, divide it with the 2, again we get 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 16, that is 8, 128. Again divide it with the 2, we get 64. Okay, again divide it with the 2, we get 232. Right? Again divide it with the 2, we get the 16. Okay, now we have to divide the 16, that is 16. Also we can divide with the 2, that is 8. Okay, divide 8 with the 2, we get the 4. Divide the 4 with the 2, we get the 2 and 2 ones are 2. So see how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we can write down 4096 4096 as a multiple of 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now make the pair of the same factors. 2 2 3. Here we get how many pairs? 6 pairs we get here. So we can write down under root 4096 is equals to take 1 2 from each. From here 1 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now multiply it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 and 32 to the 64. 64. So this is the square root of 4096 that we get here is 64. Okay. Now let us study the question number 5. The question number 5 is, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So this question is new to you because here we have given a number that is 252. 252 is not a perfect square number. So how we can make this number perfect square number? We have to multiply this number with some whole number. That is, which number we have to multiply, that we have to find out. So let us, first of all, we have to find out the factors, prime factors of this number. That is 252. When we factorize it, okay, let us divide it first of all with the 2. So we get 1, 2 to the 4 and 6. Again divided with the 2, we get 6 and 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6, 63. Now this number is not divisible by 2. Let us divide it with the 3. We get here 3, 3 to the 6 and 3 ones are 3. Right? Now this number is again divisible by 3. So we get 3, 3 sevens are 21. Now we have to divide it with the 7 only. So we get the prime factors of 252 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 into 7. So see, when we have to find out the square root, we are making the pair of the same factors. So when we make the pair of the same factors here, we get the 2 times, 3 2 times, but 7 is 1 time only. So if we want to make this number a perfect square number, 7 is here, but second factor of the 7 is not here. So we have to multiply this number with 7. When we multiply this number with the 7, we get the 2 7 here, so that we can make one pair of the number, that is of 7 7. But we cannot simply say multiply this side with the 7. We have to multiply the 7 both the sides, right? So when we multiply both the side with the 7, we get 252 into 7. So right hand side also we have to multiply with the 7. So we get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, right? So now you can see that 3 pairs will be there, right? But this number is now changed. Which number will be this? 7 to the 14, carry is 1, 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 1 that is 36 and 3 is the carry, 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 1764. This number will now become 1764, right? Sorry, 7 to the 14, 16, 17, 18, 1864. And this side we get these factors. Now to find out the square root of this number, we have to make the square root, and from this pair we have to take one number, that is 2. From here we can take 3, and from here we can take the 7. Now what will be here? 3 2s are 6 and 6 7s are 42, right? 42. So this is the number here we get, that is this number first of all is not a perfect square number. We factorize it, we can see that 7 is the only one. We cannot make the pair of the 7, so we have to multiply it with the 7. So when we multiply both the side with the 7, what we get here is 7 2s are 14, 4, carry 1, 7 5 is 35 plus 1 36, 3 is the carry, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. Sorry, the number was correct, 1764. Okay, and when we find out the square root, we have to take one digit from each pair. So when we multiply this, we get the 42. That means the square root of 1764 is 42. Now see, This is the smallest number. In the question we have asked which is the smallest whole number. So we can write down that smallest whole number is, which is the smallest number? That is 7. Right? By 7, if we multiply this number, we get this type of factor, so that it will be the perfect square number and its square root is 42. Okay, so in this way you can now solve this type of questions. Okay, this is all about this lecture. Thank you.